Hi, today we'll be learning Chim Cher-ee, composed by Robert and Richard Sherman on the piano. We will start off with a tutorial to show you how to play this song, followed by a demonstration of the piece. Have a delightful time playing this song. Alright, today we're going to start the first row of the song, which sounds like this. Okay, but before we start to play, I'll need you to clap the beat together with me. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 well done. Now I'm going to teach you how to place your hand on the piano. I'll need your left hand thumb to place on D, which is in between the two black keys, while your right hand thumb is going to place right beside the left hand thumb, which is an E. Okay, we're going to try the first two bars, which only involve two notes, which is the left hand A and the right hand E. It sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and I'm going to do a slow down version. Left hand on A, right hand on E. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and alright, now we're going to move on to bar 3 and 4, which sounds like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and now I'm going to do a slow down version. On your right hand part, it would involve two notes, which is E and E and F, and we goes back to E. While the left hand part, you're going to use D. Okay, now start the slow version. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and alright, very good. Now we're going to move on to the second row of the song, which sounds like this. Okay, now you will see there's a sharp over there where your fourth finger is going to place on an A sharp. Okay, so I'll need you to find 3 black keys at your left hand side. So 1, 2, 3 on the third black key, it will be a A sharp. So starting from D, C, B and A sharp. That's how you place your left hand. And now right hand goes back to E. Alright, we're going to start bar 5 and 6 now, which sounds like this. Okay, now I'm going to do a slow version. Start from D, goes to E, goes back to D, and C, D, C. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and okay. Now we're going to move on with the bar with that involves the A sharp, alright? It sounds like this. Okay, now it's the slow version, starting from B on your third finger of the left hand part. 1 and 2 and 3 and your right hand E and 2 and 3 and now we're going to start the playing of the third row. Before we start to play, I'll need you to move your forefinger from A sharp down to A. Alright, let me play you the third row. Alright, now some of you might notice that this is actually exactly the same as your first row. So I'll skip this row and move on to our last row. Okay, now I'm going to do a slow down version. Start with your left hand thumb on D, followed by your right hand E, go back to D, and C, D, C, B, C, B, A. Do you notice I actually hold quite long for the last note? Although there are 4 A's at the end, I only press once because all the notes A are held by the tie. They are tie notes, so we do not play tie note repeatedly. We only press the first note and hold for the count. For example, A, 2, 3, continue 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now we're going to play with the correct beats. Starting from D again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and then A, 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and last and 2 and 3 and